So yeah, now this is the follow-up of last video. So the sun is just heading down slowly. Sun, set faster, young son. Set faster.
That's right.
Just ignore that voice. There's the guy outside. So if you guys see me like looking up a lot, that's because my friends are over there and this guy just punted a soccer ball to the window. People do live there. People do live there. Yeah, he doesn't care. Yeah, because he hit the window and he's like, nobody lives there. And now he's about to hit the lady. Holy crap. This is the guy again?
Yeah. Dude, I don't have V in it.
Okay.
Will you go post it on YouTube?
Yeah. Missed it! Okay.
I'm not doing it. Yeah.
Why? You said you wanted to be on YouTube. So they want me to record them play at soccer, so I'm about to switch the cam, so boop. The cam doesn't want to switch. Okay, I'll continue this video later to switch. Don't be in it. Dude, I can pixelate your face anyway.